Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get Microsoft Office installed on your own personal computer. So if you're using a computer on campus, you won't have to worry about it because it will be installed on any of the computers that you use in any of the labs we have on any of our campuses. So this is just for your laptop or desktop at home, and you want to install Microsoft Office. So here we are at shastacollege.edu. And you notice the portal button, and hopefully, I mean, if you're watching this video, then you've most likely already done this. But I'm going to go to the Shasta portal. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and oh, beauty, that's nice. Thank you, Google, for that one. And here I am in my version. Now, this is an instructor version. It may look a little bit different than yours. I'm honestly not sure. This has been recently updated, but this is what mine looks like. All right, so you're probably very similar here. So there's where Canvas is. You got your My Shasta, all that good stuff. Well, you notice this down here. It says Microsoft Office. So what you're going to do, this is probably the easiest way to do it. Just click on one of these programs. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to pick PowerPoint, and it's going to bring us to this section right here that, PowerPoint Online. This is Microsoft 365. They used to call it Office 365, I think. I don't know. They're calling it Microsoft 365 now. And this is the online version of PowerPoint. So now that I'm up here, I want to go ahead and click on this button that says Home. And when I click on Home, it says Welcome to 365 or Microsoft 365. And it shows all sorts of stuff they know that I've done before, things that I've accessed before or whatever. And then there's this button over here. So this is what you want, where it says Install Apps. Because Office 365 is great. It's, the little thing that you can use online. And I think they even make it, available for free from tablets and that kind of stuff. But it's a very light version of Microsoft Office. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but you're not able to use all the tools that you need to do to complete assignments for courses that include those applications or those pieces of software. So, or for example, if you're taking the Microsoft Access class, that's not even available online. So anyway, so we want to install the program to be able to use the full suite and have all the tools available. You're able to do this with your Shasta College account when you're logged in. You've got this on here. You can do this. You can install it and activate it on up to 5 different computers. So if you have a desktop and a laptop, don't worry about, oh, I can only put on one. No, do it on both. You just log in at the end and you're good to go. So like I said, up to 5. So take advantage of that. Believe me, somewhere along the way, you're paying for it. So take advantage of this. All right. So there are a couple of options. When I click on this install apps, there's the Office 365 apps. It includes this, stuff here. So we've got Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. That's the key. And then there's other installation options. For what you're going to use at Shasta College, including the Access course, this will suffice. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it saves you a couple steps. It brings up this little piece here, and it says, hey, do you want to drop this down here a little bit. Where do you want to save this file? I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder. You can see it's called office setup.exe, and I'm going to click save. And it starts, and it's going ahead and downloading it, all this good stuff. Okay, so, and it gives you this little prompt, and it tells you like, hey, after you're done, you're going to open it. You're going to say yes to install. And then afterwards, you just have to open any of these. So you could open PowerPoint or Word or whatever, and you log in with your email address, just like you log into the portal, the Shasta College Portal, and you're good to go. It will activate it, and you'll be able to use that software. So I'm going to click Got It. And I want to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to go to my Downloads folder. I'll drag this over here. Wherever you save it, it will be there. So here's my office setup.exe. I'm just going to double click on that. It says, hey, do you want to allow changes to be made? I'm going to click yes. And then it goes through this. Now mine's going to give me an error message in a minute because I already have it installed. But you notice on here, let's move this out of the way. Okay. These are the software pieces they're putting on here. So like I said, if you're in the Access class, here you go, boom, there's an Access database that you have to have, must be installed. And then it's installing the full versions of these from the Microsoft Suite. Okay, so fully operational, all the tools unlocked, everything that you'll need to do. And while this is going, I have Word open. I did this on purpose actually, so it would stop and I can click cancel. But right now I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about it. So yours will keep going, and it says we'll be done in a moment. I mean, I don't know how Microsoft defines a moment. I guess it depends on your Wi-Fi connection, your internet speed for downloads that you have. But it will take a few minutes. Let's say, I don't know about moment, but it will take a few minutes. You'll see this bar slowly moving across, and when it's done, you're going to get a message that says, "Hey, we've installed this. Basically, you're good to go." And then when you go to your computer, either down in the search bar, over in, click the start button, whatever, and open one of these programs. It really doesn't matter which one. So if you start out, most people are familiar with Word, so, or PowerPoint. Open one of those and it will pop in there in a window. As soon as it opens, it will say, it's a little Microsoft pop-up, and it says sign in to set up Office. And you will click sign in, and then use your Shasta College credentials that you sign in, your email address that you sign in with to get into the portal. You'll verify with a password, it takes a couple steps, and then you're done. Now, you only have to do that once, and then you don't have to sign in again. Each time you load the program, it knows that's you. It will access your stuff online through 365 if you save anything in the on OneDrive or in the cloud somewhere, and you'll be good to go though for your programs. It'll let you save stuff on your computer, all that kind of good stuff, and you don't have to do the sign in again. So which is really nice, and you can do that on like I said, up to 5 computers. Okay, so hopefully this helps get you started. Once this gets rolling and installing, it's pretty easy to get it going. You just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. So if you have any instructions or sorry, if you have any questions, just ask your instructor and they will be able to help you get it going. Thank you.